Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'm unboxing Twice's new album, Ready to Be, and I'm so excited. I've waited so long for this. It's finally here. As usual, I did my order from SubK, so I did the pre-order. So I have the pre-order cards that you usually get with the album. So because I bought 3 versions, I think you get the set of cards. And I think you also get like 1 pre-order card. So I got Momo. I don't know if I got it because of the album I bought with her or just because. Oh yeah, I think I did because I pre-ordered her album, so it's probably that's why I got her photo here. So we got her photo card. I got Nayeon. Chewy. Jui. Honestly, I always have a hard time pronouncing her name. Is it like Chewy or is it like Jui? And I got Gia. So I'm gonna open the pre-order benefits first. I don't know what this is, to be honest, so we're gonna just open up. Okay, I get a unit photo card, cute, and I get a I get a little postcard kind of thing. So I got Momo, yay. If you didn't know, Momo is my bias, clearly, because I bought her CD, so exciting. Sorry if there's like a change in the lighting. I decided to take my light off and just rely on the light from my window because it was just I wasn't feeling it. So let's open the pre-order cards first. I don't know to match them according to I did match it right. So this one's probably this one, this is this, and this is this. So I think I'll open the album first with the cards and like make my way through there. Okay, we'll start with this version first. I'm not sure what's the name, but I'll put it on the screen. So let's take the plastic off first. This is the front. It has like kind of like 3D. This is the side. This is the back. And these are the set cards. So we have Nayeon, Junghyun, Momo. I love this card so much because I love this picture. I saw she posted one similar on her Instagram. And Sana, Gio, Mina, Zion, Jaeyoung, Chewy, and the unit photo. Group photo, sorry. So pretty. I love the pre-order cards that you get with Twice. I really do. So let's open the album. Let me. Oh. interesting. It has like a interesting design. Okay. Ooh. They look so pretty, as usual, to be honest. I love the concept. I don't know if it's the entire album, but definitely this photo book because it's like classy chic. Oh wow, I thought I took everything out. Lesson learned, I did not take everything out. I forgot how many inclusions you get with your Twice albums, and that's why I really love. Oh my god, look at her. Slaying. She's so pretty. I honestly missed Momo without bangs. Momo without bangs is just lethal. I love her so much. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. Sana. She's so pretty. I love the skirt. Wow. That's really pretty. And here we are, Momo. Like, she's so pretty. And then her with the bangs. She's had bangs like majority of their career. And then like pre-debut Momo without bangs. I've been waiting for years. Since I didn't like, and this is like my second Twice album, but I don't think, correct me if I'm wrong, that they had any other concept where she was like without her usual bangs. But she looks stunning. Jangyan Queen. Nayeon. And that's the end. This is the city. Pretty. And now for the inclusions. Okay, so you get a member poster from Cards. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I got Momo. Oh my gosh, damn, this is a really pretty photo. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I never been this Momo blessed in my life, to be honest. Oh. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Jungyeon. What is it? Is it open? I'll be honest, I'm not trying to open it because I don't want to damage it, but yeah, here it is. So pretty. I don't know what this is. They have so many inclusions, and I love the inclusions they have in their albums. I love JYP albums because they always have. It's definitely worth the purchase. So, Diane. Oh my gosh, this is like the member postcard. So pretty. And then we have the photo cards that I already know one's Zion because I saw it. Okay, so you have Chaeyoung. Is it Chaeyoung? No, that's C. I think Chaeyoung. I don't want to be butchering your names, but like we have her again, Chaeyoung. Oh, it's her set, Chaeyoung. That's Zion, and we have a dupe. Okay, so you have one duplicate so far. what were the odds? And we have 3 Changs. I don't collect member specifics for Twice. At the moment, I just keep all my album cards, but I'll definitely try to get a trade for this one because it's a duplicate and I don't want to keep a duplicate, so. And the next album. We have the next album. Since I don't collect Twice specifically at the moment, I'm either gonna look for a trade for Momo's card because she's my bias, or I'm going to just put it up for trade for any auto card I can for mostly Stray Kids because these are the cards. So Nayeon, these are pretty. Ooh, the back is really pretty. Wow, look at her. Honestly, I love her so much. I'm gonna be seeing them in concert in July, and I am so happy. I don't want to be controversial or anything or mention the whole Chaeyoung issue, but I am pretty sad because I didn't get to see them last year in concert, and this is gonna be my first Twice concert, and she's not gonna be there. So it is pretty sad because Twice is one of my really groups I stand from the beginning when I first got into K-pop, and I really wanted to see OT9. And it also breaks my heart because I like Chaeyoung. She's not my bias, but she is one of definitely on my list for biases in Twice. Okay, this is the album. Let me try to get the inclusion notes properly this time. Just 3. And somewhere in here. So, trying not to look. 2 of them already turned over. Wow. Okay. But yeah, I'm not saying what she did was obviously she. Oh, I thought this was a poster. Oh, this is pretty. I am loving this album. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm not saying what she did was right, and there's a whole thing with apology and stuff, but I mean, she is human at the end of the day, and I don't think anyone deserves to be getting death threats over something like that. Because she is human, and with the whole K-pop industry, people, yeah, she's owning up to her mistake now. She's gone on a hiatus, whatnot. But the thing about K-pop, the K-pop industry is so crazy, and it would be pretty scary to lose someone else, lose another idol over something like this. And that would totally break my heart, to be honest, because Twice is OT9 no matter what, and if she leaves the group because of this, it would be pretty heartbreaking for me. And I'm sure a lot of other ones is too. But yeah, that's my take on it. I don't know why. Gosh, this is giving me Chucky vibes for some reason. I don't know why. This is giving me Chucky vibes, like her hair color, and then I don't know, the red and the blue. I'm so sorry. I really am, but Of course, she's the cute version, but it really is giving me that vibe. She is just so pretty. Santa's definitely my Santa's definitely my bias wrecker at this point. Well, not at this point, not at this point, but she was my bias wrecker for ages now. Chaeyoung. Gosh, and this is we're doing so well. And she, honestly, she was like my third bias. It was Momo, Sana, and Chaeyoung. This is like the whole issue when you say, okay, why is this just that bothers me? Or maybe that's the style. I doubt it. It bothers me. So this is a CD. Oh, and I showed the back. This is the back of the album. That's pretty. This is really pretty. I like. Oh my gosh, this is like gonna be my favorite out of the set. I don't know. There's still the pink one. We got Mother Geo. Wow, stunning. And then we got Junghyun. Okay, cute. And full cards. Oh, we got her again. Oh no. It's another dupe. Would have been a cute set, but it's a dupe. And each member. Okay, we got Chaeyoung again. I think that's a dupe. It is a dupe. I have that one already. Wow. Jui. Mina. Yay. Mina. Double Mina. Yay. Oh, triple Mina. Okay, so like you maybe get 3 cards of. Wait a minute. No, it's not a pattern. But I thought we got like 3 cards of a member. And you get like 2 of another member, but not really. But yeah, so far we have 3 dupes, right? 2 Daeon, 2 Chaeyoung, and 2 Junghyun. So now we have the last album to the batch. I don't know why the plastic is all this wrinkled. Honestly, I'm really happy to add this to my collection. Twice never disappoints, to be honest. But imagine collecting OC9 for Twice. That's crazy, to be honest. That would be super crazy. These are the photocards. This is the pink. Ooh. This is giving princess vibes. Oh my gosh, the back. That's stunning. And there's gonna be like a lot of fanboys at the concert, and that's gonna be so much fun. But yeah, I'm super excited to see Momo in person. All of them, to be honest, but you know, well, not all of them. Yeah, I'm bitter over that. But yeah, that's the one thing I love about JYP. Like, groups, they always give so much, so much, and I love it. So okie dokie. This one's pink. Okay, Momo, I see you. Oh, this is so pretty. Loving the outfits. Loving the concept of all three of these photo books. It's really pretty. They all look so stunning, so amazing. I love how Twice is casually dipped out of their cute girl era and just went into like their women era. And I'm happy for them because I mean they are grown, so she's so pretty. So pretty. I love this photo. It's really pretty. Wow, sorry. This is heart stopping right after the other. Wow. Mina, so pretty. I almost forgot I have posters that I have to show also because I got them separately, shipped separately, so they came first. Then my albums came, so it's unfolded, so it's not like she looks really pretty here. She looks like an angel. Wow. And we're all like being so happy that she didn't have to cover her tattoos in this comeback, but damn. What are these shoes? And Twice has been finally getting the recognition they deserved. And I love them. I don't want to, but like I said, I don't want to, definitely do not want to start collecting seriously for them. Because, I mean, I could collect for Momo, but I'm not ready to collect girl groups yet. I just want to keep my album cards at this point. This is the back. Okay, so the back for the second version that I checked, that was the prettiest, to be honest. So, the member poster. Diane, oh, so cute. Oh, she looks adorable. And then we have this. Oh wow. This is a pretty postcard. Pretty shocking, but damn. She looks amazing as always. As always. Okay, we did not get a dupe again. Yes, we got Mina. I'm like bursting my brain to think. Obviously, I didn't get OT9. Any of my pulls, except for like. Okay, so we got Nyan. I got impatient. Nyan, and Jungin. Wait. Oh, wow. I was gonna say, did they rob me one? And I got Jungin. So yeah, I was right. It's like 3 of the same members, and then you get 2 more. That's just weird, to be honest. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a random number, I think. I'm sure it's supposed to be a random number. So, okay, this one was no dupes. And for that, I am grateful. But so far, we only got 3 dupes. So I decided I'm gonna open the posters first before I open Momo's Digipack album. So this should be a poster for all 3 of the albums. Okay, honestly, my desk is not big enough to show posters, so I'm gonna try my best to get it in the frame. This is the first one. I apologize, I just don't want to move from my desk at the moment. These are huge. The second one. Trying to like all the numbers in the frame. I'm not getting Momo's head in. I'm sorry. There we go. And the third one. There we go. And now finally we're gonna move on to Momo's Digipack version. I really could have gotten OT9, but like I said, I'm trying to like prioritize at this point because OT9 is a bit much, don't you think? So I don't really know what the inclusions are in here, to be honest. I see. This is the CD. It's on this side. Oh, sorry. Here it is. Pretty. And this is the contents on this side. Okay. So you get a little, okay. Oh, let's just look at the cards. Oh, you get a random member. Okay. So you get Mina. I got Mina and I got Nyan. Okay. And then you get her little photo book. Oh, she's so stunning. It's crazy because Momo is the member that got me into Twice in the first place. And of course she's my bias. But that was crazy. I love this photo. She looks so pretty. I'm such a Momo stan at this point. Okay, that's, I mean, you get like her, oh, you get a full group photo. Okay, that brings us to the end of this unboxing. I have so many stuff to put away now. And honestly, I don't think I have any space in my girl group binder for all of these cards, but I'll figure something out. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.